Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Rohit. Friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how to change the frame background color on click event of AWT button. So let's start. First of all, let's try to see what various things we are going to use within this particular program. So first of all, packages we have. First package is java.awt for using AWT components. Then we have java.awt.event for dealing with the window related event. Then what GUI component we are going to use from AWT package. So first of all, frame, and second one, button. And let's try to see what methods we are going to use here. So first of all, we are going to use addActionListener. So this method will help us to add the action listener to our button. So whenever we will click on button, we will be able to handle the event. And what our target is, we want to change the background color of our frame. And to do that, we will try to implement the actionPerformed method. So as we know, to handle the button related event, we have ActionListener interface, and that interface having one method called actionPerformed. So this method will help us to change the background color of our frame, and that logic we are going to write within this method. And to change the background color, we are going to use setBackground color method, and it requires the color as an parameter over here. So whatever color we want to set, that color we can pass over here. Okay, all these things we are going to use. Now let's start and create one file. So we will save this file first of all to the bin directory with name button color, let's say .java. Okay, now as we discuss, we will first of all import java.awt.star, then we will import java.awt.event. okay, these two packages we have imported. Now let's try to create the class called button color, and we will extend this class from frame. Okay, now here first of all I will create the main method of this class. This will be my main method. Okay, and within this main method we will create first of all object of our class button color. Okay, so I will write button color, let's say obj is equal to new button color. Okay, we have created this object now. Now next thing I will do, we will create the constructor of this class. So as soon as object will get initialized, this constructor will get invoked, and whatever code we have written for GUI, according to that it will get create. So this will be constructor for button class, button color class. Okay, now first of all, within this constructor, certain basic properties regarding frame we will try to set here. So I will use first of all set visible method to make our frame visible. Okay, then I will use set size method to set the size of our method, let's say 500 by 500. Okay, and then next I will use set title. So here we can specify the title of our frame, which will appear on the title bar of our frame. So let's say change background color of frame. Okay, this is my title, and then I will set layout over here, so as per which our component will appear within our frame. So here we will pass the flow layout object like this. Okay, so by default, as per the flow layout, all components we will add that will appear within the center of our frame. Okay, now next thing I will do, by default we know AWT frames close button doesn't work, so I will add code for closing it, closing frame. Okay, so for that we have to use here window listener. So we will say add window listener. Okay, and this require the object of window adapter class. like this. Okay, and within this we will try to implement method called window closing. So public void window closing. So as we don't want to implement all method, here we are trying to use the window adapter, which allow us to implement only specific method. Okay, so as I am implementing this method, so as soon as I will click on close button, so window closing event will get fired and this method will get executed. So it requires the object of window event class. Okay, let's say WE, and here we will write statement system.exit and 0. Okay, all these things we have done. Now next thing what we have to do, we have to create one button first of all. So here I will write button b1 is equal to new button. Okay, and let's say its name will be or its label will be red. Okay, and now button is created. Add that button to our frame using add method. So after adding button, now we will try to add the action listener. So I will write b1 dot add action listener. Okay, and this action listener will implement actionPerformed method. Okay, so here we will write new action listener. Okay, and here we will implement public void actionPerformed, and it requires the object of action event class, let's say AE. Okay, and now within this we will try to add the method called setBackground. Okay, so what I want to do, set background, and which color we want to set, color dot red. Okay, this is predefined value, color dot red. Okay, so as soon as I will click on our button, a red color will get set to our frame. Okay, this is how we have done this. Now let's try to run this and see what output we will get. So first of all I will copy this path and I will start the command prompt. Okay, so cd, and now here I will write java c button color dot java. Okay, it got compiled. Now I will write java button color, and here we go with this output. Okay, so we have this frame having title, change background color of frame, and one button at the center because of flow layout. Okay, now as soon as I will click on this button, our frame color will get changed and it will be red. You can see now. Okay, like this we will handle the click event, and on click event of this button we are changing the background color of frame. Now what I will do, I will try to add two more buttons over here. Okay, so I will simply duplicate these two lines first of all. Okay, this is for button 2 and this is for button 3. Okay, so this is button 2, this is button 3. So simply I will change it now, button 2 like this. Here I will make it green. Okay, and here I will make it button 3. This will be button 3 and this will be blue. Now in the same way we will add the action listener for both of new buttons. Okay, I have duplicated this above code like this. So simply here I will change it to button 2. Okay, remaining things will be as it is, only this change will be there. So instead of red now it will be green. Okay, and I will do it for button 3 now. So here we will have button 3 and color will be blue. Okay, we have done this. Now again I will try to compile. Okay, it got compiled. Now let's try to execute. Okay, we got 3 buttons now. So if I click on red, background color will be red. If I click on green, background color will be green, and for blue, background color will be blue, like this. We can also add custom color over here, so I will show that. Okay, I will duplicate this one more time, and let's say it will be B4, and now here I will give label custom color. Okay, and we will add this B4. Then I will duplicate this code, okay, like this. So here I will write B4, and here I will create one color. Let's say BG is equal to new color, and here I will specify certain RGB value. Okay, let's say 46 to 25. Okay, now this color I have created over here. Simply pass this color now to our set background BG. Okay, like this. Now let's try to check it. So again we will compile. Okay, now we will execute it, and okay, we are getting one button custom color over here at the end. So if I click on this, you can see now this color has been set to our frame as a background color. Okay, like this you can create your own color, and that color you can use over here with help of set background method. So friends, this is how we will change the frame background color on click event of button. Friends, if you find this video useful, please like and share this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.